Welcome to the Trucker John Show, guys. Today is Saturday, December 21st, 2019. I'm here in Latham, New York, loading for Huntsville, Alabama. Thanks for joining me. Alright guys, so we are here in Latham. We're in the dock. They haven't actually put anything on my truck yet. It is 12:38 p.m. The reason they're loading today is because they wanted everything down in Huntsville by tomorrow evening. So because they only have one aircraft leaving this week because of the holiday week, this being Christmas week coming up. And it's not looking good at this point, I don't think. So we're starting to get close on time. Yeah, because they really want it there by 4, but they said they'll stay till 6. So we're getting real close on time. So not too sure what's going to happen at this point. There were supposed to be 5 magnets going today, so that's 2 truckloads. There is another truck sitting out here. It's a team truck, and there's only 3 magnets that are going to go today. So kind of cringing because you can put 3 magnets on one truck. I'm got a feeling they're going to cancel my load and put all 3 on the team, which is really bad situation because I have another load already booked to come back up here, and it would get me home, and I'd be home for Christmas and then go deliver it Friday. Really good revenue. I'd be losing a lot of revenue this week if this doesn't work out, because the chances of finding something else to do are going to be pretty slim at this point, being Saturday, before Christmas here, and I'll probably end up just being home all week. Okay guys, we'll let you know what happens. Okay, we got a magnet. We're on our way. I was getting worried there for a minute. But apparently the guy in the shipping dock who's in charge of shipping told the big boss he had 2 trucks here and he was using both of them. So, whew, we lucked out on that because could easily put all of them on the one truck. So let me see, it's showing I'm going to get there at 5:55 tomorrow morning. That's if I drove straight there, which would be 4:55. So let's just say 5 o'clock Central Time. I got to take a 10-hour break in there, so we add that on, so we're to 3 o'clock Central Time. So, looks like we can make it. They want me to, kind of wanted to be there by 4, but they'll wait till 6 to unload it. So, I'm thinking as long as we do not have any mechanical problems on the way, which I'm not anticipating, but you can't always anticipate that kind of stuff, and that we don't run into any huge traffic problems, we should get this load off tomorrow. Which we need to get this load off tomorrow, because if it doesn't, I don't know what's going to happen at that point. I think they are working Monday, but it was something about only a skeleton crew, and they don't have the right people to prepare the freight for the aircraft, so I don't know. It's a crapshoot at that point. So we're just going to keep the left door closed as much as we can. We will stop, make a 30-minute break somewhere. And if I make it to Whitville tonight, Whitville, Virginia, which is where I usually make it to, I can make it from there to the delivery without another 30-minute break because it's less than 8 hours from there. Anyway, we should be okay. I'm hoping. Keep your fingers crossed for me, guys, because if I get her delivered tomorrow, I'm looking good. I'm looking good to be home on Christmas Eve, as long as we don't run out of time, because I did not get a 34-hour restart in, so I'm running on pickup hours. It's going to be tight, but I think I can make it home Christmas Eve late. Worst comes to worst, I can make it home early Christmas morning, because I'll pick up hours at midnight on Christmas Eve. So hopefully everything goes good. If everything goes smooth, we're looking real good. It's kind of a that's kind of something that doesn't really usually go together. Trucking and going smooth. We're going to do the absolute best we can to get in there as early as possible tomorrow. So we're going to be running right up at the speed limit, which, you know, if you guys know me, you've been watching me for a while, you know I usually run a little slower than the speed limit, so we're going to push it at the speed limit. We'll be flying down the highway at the speed limit. But, you know, overall on the whole trip, that might save me another 30 minutes, so that'll help. Every little bit's gonna help at this point. Yeah, Saturday. This is the last Saturday before Christmas for me. So, going to be a heavy shopping day, I'm sure. Wouldn't want to be going to the mall today. Yeah, so it is 1:23 right now. We've got 24 degrees, so we're a little bit warmer than we were yesterday. Supposed to be going into a warm-up starting tomorrow, and actually I think Monday and Tuesday is going to be up in the 40s. So looks like our white Christmas is going to turn kind of wet and muddy probably. We'll see. Yeah. This is probably a bad weekend for people not paying attention. They're all focused on the holidays and what they got to buy and where they got to go. And when you're out on the road, you really got to drive with your head up and anticipate that anybody is going to do anything at any time. Well, you should be like that all the time, but that's what I always say. Expect anybody to do anything at any time. Okay, we're on the thruway. Getting on the thruway, headed south here. Hopefully everything will go good. Alrighty guys, we are parked for the night here in Wytheville, Virginia. We got about 400 miles to go tomorrow. We gotta just do 10 hours and get rolling right after the 10-hour break's over. Make sure we get in there before they go home tomorrow. Anyway, well, I appreciate you guys being here. Hit that like on the way out, leave me a comment, and please subscribe if you haven't already. And we'll see you next time. Bye for now.